Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I prepare my vitamin C face serum, and in doing that I'll be making use of an orange and grater. Don't forget to use the smaller part of the grater, and don't forget that you cannot keep this for more than 2 days, and if you have to, make sure you put it in your refrigerator in order to preserve it. So I'll be showing you what to do with this orange. All you have to do is to make use of the smaller part and grate the orange, and before you do that, make sure you wash your orange. So guys, this is my orange. I'm sorry I couldn't film the part where I was grating the peel of the orange, but this is the outcome. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. So this is it. I'm going to boil this now, and I'll show you that. This is the serum after boiling it. So I'm going to leave it this way for 2 hours and then sieve it out. Now I'm ready to sieve it out, and this is my vitamin C serum. I'm going to turn it here. This is the serum. I have a little here, and I'm going to apply it on my face now. Make sure you wash your face before applying it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos, and don't forget to drop a comment below. Love you. See you in my next video. Bye.